Hey Foxies, it's Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, let's get into this Jawbreaker tutorial. I know I showed the blood sugar palette, but it's because I use glucose. Y'all know this. I use glucose to set my base. And it's just such a perfect white if you really want that white. So now taking the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm using the soaked shade in there, which is a dark shade of blue, and it is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. This look came together so well. I'm still uploading it. I finished editing. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, which is why I sound like blah, but we're here. It's okay. So just gonna be putting that blue, that soaked shade all over my lid, just like so.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here?
And now I'm going to be taking the light blue, which is brain freeze, to blend that out further. These colors together look so beautiful together. I honestly love this palette so much because of the color range. It's just beautiful.
Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So y'all already know I like to go back and forth between those shades or whatever shades I'm using just to add more depth and make my eye pop a lot more.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone.
So now I'm just going to be taking a Q-tip to clean up my cut crease as if I was cutting my crease with it. And then I'm going to go on with some concealer just because I've learned that this really just makes your cut crease look so perfect. If you haven't tried it, yeah, I just said that, sorry. I need sleep, you guys. If you haven't tried it, please make sure to comment and let me know how it works out for you because I honestly love it that much. You're gonna be obsessed. So here I decided to go in with yellow, which is a wow, and go back in and add some more, just more transition into there, just because I wanted to use yellow in this look. I just didn't know where. But yeah, I decided to add it with the transition as well, and then I go in with the shade Lemon Drop. Y'all will see on my lid, and it's gonna look so gorgeous. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, looking at this shade on my finger, I was kind of like, ooh, is it gonna work with this look? Look, you guys, you will never know until you try it. Some colors will look so amazing next to each other. So just try it, step out of your comfort zone, and do it, because like I said, I'm obsessed with this look, and I would have never thought about doing yellow and blue together if it wasn't for my friend Olivia. So Olivia, if you're watching this, thank you so much. And if anybody else wants to make color suggestions, please do. I like stepping out of my comfort zone and like making myself feel uncomfortable and doing things that I don't want to do, but it turns out for the best, you know what I mean? I learn a lot. So here I'm just going back in with Brain Freeze just to reblend that in further. And now just gonna do some liner. Here I'm using the Kat Von D liner. I love this. This eyeliner is amazing. By the way, you guys, I also go in with the NYX Envy in the black liner just to add some green liner. Just to add some green liner, and it came out gorgeous. I didn't show it because I don't know. But yeah, I hope that y'all love it. And here I'm going back in with Wow just to add some under eyeshadow and just to continuously make my eye pop more. You guys, y'all can never do too much. So like I said, just have fun with eyeshadows. Don't take it too serious. It's all about having fun and expressing yourself and just doing you. Just stop caring about what the next person thinks, because honestly, it's not even worth it. You're just wasting your time. So do what makes you happy. And honestly, this yellow under eyeshadow made me so happy. It's so cute. So now I'm going to be taking the Jumbo eye pencil, which I just found out that you can sharpen it, you guys. I'm going to have to show y'all that very, very soon. But here I just sprayed myself with some Morphe and Jeffree setting spray, which is just so bomb. Makes your face look so glowy and hydrated. And now I'm just using this old Urban Decay mascara that I had for so long already. I have no idea how long I've had it, but yeah, I'm using that, and this is the finished look. So thank you so much for watching. If you recreate it, please tag me, and I'll see y'all next Wednesday. Bye, Foxies.